Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You already have Kibana credentials and ES indices. Now begin. First, log into Kibana, then create an index pattern that matches your log indices. Pick the correct time field so visualizations and Discover show events chronologically. Once done, refresh the field list to load mappings and field types. Next, set the time picker to a sensible window, for example last 24H, so you only work with relevant data and avoid time-based confusion. This ensures searches and dashboards reflect current events immediately. Open Discover and start querying with KQL or Lucene. You choose based on complexity and team standards. Type a focused filter, then add frequently used fields to the table and pin them so columns persist across views. Once you have the shape of your data, save the search for dashboards and alerts. Use split rows and a date histogram to reveal spikes or gaps, and combine free text queries with structured filters to narrow results quickly. This method helps you find root causes faster and build repeatable views. Turn saved searches into visualizations and assemble them on a dashboard. Make sure panels use the same index pattern and retain the time filter. Enable auto-refresh and set a sensible refresh interval, then save and share the dashboard with stakeholders. For final validation, test saved objects and permissions. If logs appear missing, check index lifecycle policies, ingest pipelines, and the node ingest stats. Also confirm server and Kibana time zones match. These checks resolve most data gaps and keep dashboards reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.